Okay,
Can you please
I
use
can
them?
play the piano and the
Mhm.
recorder, but
Okay.
I can't play the guitar that well, and I definitely can't play the. I've tried playing the violin. I sound like a cat. Thank you very much.
Good. Okay, great. Okay, so yeah, so this gives the student the opportunity to show you what they can do and cannot do. Hopefully, they can do one of these. If they can't, you can expand with something else. You can use something else, maybe like with toys. You can broaden this as much.
Yeah,
And
like
you
I
can also
have,
put
I
the
don't have.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. You can also put the vocabulary or the keywords here at the top, like violin, basically just like sentence phrase, having them move the words, the keywords towards the sentence and forming the sentence by themselves. Thank you, teacher Nadia. Okay, teacher Sue, can you please do the next one?
So I can't do anything on the board.
Okay,
I can't play
let's
any
use
instrument.
imagination. Me
Yeah,
neither.
yeah.
Don't worry, me neither.
What do you wish you could play? What do you wish you could play? What don't you want to play?
Well, I thought if we have a situation or scenario where the student doesn't play anything, and of
Yeah.
course our Asian students
Sure.
are very talented, so they can
Yeah.
play lots of instruments.
Yeah.
They could draw something that they can do,
Yes,
Yeah.
yes,
get
that's a
them
great idea.
to be more creative. So I can play the violin because I like orchestral
Thank you so
music,
much, Sue.
and I can play piano, but I can't play the guitar and the recorder.
Yes, very good. That gives a balance too. That gives a balance
Yeah.
of what the student can do and can't do. Very
Yeah,
good.
teacher
Thank you,
Payment's
teacher
already
Sue.
aiming for gold. Let's go.
Okay, teacher
Teacher
Payment, would
Kez,
you like to
well.
say the sentence?
Yeah, let's go.
Thank you, teacher Nadia.
I don't.
I
There
also
we go.
can't play anything at all,
Me neither. You're
sadly.
not alone. But you can use or with this. I can't play the violin or the piano.
Or.
Either or nor. Those things. Okay, thank you. Thank you, teacher Kez. Thank you, teacher Freeman. Wow, great. Yeah. So this just gives a balance, have the student participate.
Oh,
no matter if the student is oh my, okay.
Payment.
Wow.
Okay.
Get to serenade us with your guitar.
Wow, you're good.
Jeez,
Wow.
reminds me of like Italian music.